welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another Dollar Tree haul. So I'm pretty excited about some of the things that I found. I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you what I got. So the first things that I got these for my husband, but I've never seen these at the Dollar Tree, so I thought I'd pick them up. They're these sponges for your car to help you clean your car. I thought they were really neat. So this first one is by Driver's Choice. It says it's multi-purpose sponge, ideal for rugs and carpets, wheels and tires, windshield, and lamps. So I thought that was really cool. It's kind of scratchy, like a scratchy material. But anyway, I thought it was really neat, and I thought maybe he might like that. So I went ahead and grabbed one of those. The other one is also by Driver's Choice, and it says there's 3 pieces in here. There's 2 wax applicator pads and then 1 tire shine applicator. It's ideal for a wax application. So I thought this is really cool too. It comes with these 2 yellow type sponges in there. And then this one right here looks like 2 separate sponges, but it's really one whole sponge. But there's a green side and then this gray side. And I'm not real sure. I don't know anything about waxing cars. But anyway, I thought this was kind of cool, so I got that for him. And then this other one is also by Driver's Choice. It's the Opal Applicator. Has a comfortable grip for wax application, polish, and protectant. And it does have 2 different sides to it. So it's got like this yellow side, and then you turn it over and it's got like this gray side to it. But anyway, I thought that was really neat. So I went ahead and grabbed one of those. Boring things that I get, it's always a repurchase, but it's the sponges by Scrub Buddies. There's 6 in here. It's the ones with the nail guard. I really like these. And I mean, it's a pretty good deal because you get 6 in here for $1. And so I don't feel bad about, throwing them away when they get nasty. So anyway, grabbed 1 package of those. The next thing that I get is a repurchase. I always try to get my toothpaste from the Dollar Tree, but it's the Crest 3D White Stain Eraser Fresh Mint. It is the 2.3 ounce, and it says 1.5 times more free, which 1.5 times really isn't a lot, but I do like the Crest 3D White toothpaste. Is what we use, and this is more expensive if you get it at Walmart, so I just always get it from the Dollar Tree. The next thing that I found is this sponge. It's by Assured, and it says it's for men, but I got it for myself because my husband don't use these. But it says men's exfoliating sponge. But I liked this one because it's a little bit different than the ones, I guess, that are for women. I like black anyway, so I love the color black. But I do like this band up here, like the little holder. It's like this, I don't know, this thick elastic, instead of the other ones, that has a little white string on it. So anyway, I figured I'd go ahead and get this and try it. It's probably the same thing, but anyway. The next thing that I've got, I about died, but it is this placemat, and I did only get one. They had plenty more, but I don't really want to put this on my table necessarily. I kind of just want to, I don't really know what I'm going to do with it. I thought about maybe putting it in a picture frame and framing it and hanging it on the wall, but I'm not real sure. But if you've watched I don't remember which haul it was, but I hauled the towels and the pot holders and the dishcloth that has the same pattern on it. So I was excited to see that they actually had the placemats, which I think is really awesome. I wish they would have some like dishes, like plates and bowls and glasses and cups and things like that with this pattern on it. Oh my goodness, that would be awesome. So anyway, grabbed one of those. Now, the next things that I found are new. They're new to my store at least. They are by Bolero, and they are these facial wipe. I got 4 of them, and they did have, I think there was a lemon scented one, and I believe there might have been 1 or 2 other scents, but I went ahead and just grabbed these 4, and the first one is pink cactus water. It says soothing facial wipes, helps hydrate and protect for a clear, beautiful skin. There's 32 in here, and I mean, I do like the Bolero wipes. I've tried a lot of the wipes from the Dollar Tree, and they have the ones that are, I think Allure is the brand. I do not like those. When I got, I think 3 packages of those, different kinds, but every time I try to wipe my face down with it, it burns. It just burns my face. It hurts. So I don't like them. So anyway, but I do like the Bolero, and I haven't noticed the Bolero, they don't burn my skin. So anyway, I got the pink cactus water. The other one is the coconut water. It says soothes and moisturizes dry skin. So I went ahead and grabbed that one. The other one is cucumber water, and it says gently cleanses and hydrates for smooth skin perfection. So I went ahead and grabbed that one. And then the last one I got, it says it's bamboo water. It says the anti-inflammatory properties of bamboo moisturizes and soothes skin. So I went ahead and grabbed one of these. Now I don't know what they smell like. I'm not going to open it right now because I do have still some facial wipes in there that I'd like to use up before I open these, and I don't want to open it and then they dry out. So anyway, got that. And then the last 2 things that I picked up are also new, and they're by Bolero. It says concentrated ×2 gentle body wash. I got one in fresh watermelon, and the other one is just peachy. They did have a couple other scents in these, but these are the 2 that I picked out. They're the ones I figured I would like. They are 10 fluid ounces, which is a really good size. It says no parabens, no dyes. Now, they did have a bunch of other kinds of, body stuff. Like they had shampoo, I believe, that was like this, and the conditioner, which I've tried the shampoo and the conditioner, and I just didn't like it. I don't like the Bolero shampoo and conditioner. So I didn't want to get that and waste my money because I know I wouldn't like it. And they also had a bunch of the new, the little body yogurts that come in a little tub. And I already bought some of those a few months ago that were in different scents. They got new scents now. But I haven't used up all of those yet, and I don't want to buy any more until I get those used. So anyway, I just went ahead and grabbed a couple of these. So I hope that you guys liked this video. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. If you want to be notified when I upload a video, just click the little bell icon, and YouTube should email you and let you know when I upload a video. Anyway, I hope that you guys are having a wonderful week, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.